Endless sky above us, trembling earth below. Sometimes peace between us and 500 miles to go. Let's merge onto the freeway, most dangerous place I know. Love to meet the engineer and see him drive it home. There's a hitcher at the limits with a sign that says T.O. Can take you to the hat, but from there you're on your own. I jockeyed with a grain train, empties from the coast. It beat me to the crossing, you bet I'll share the road. You ain't nothing but the road you're on. You ain't nothing but the road you're on. Slowpoke on the cell phone, speedster up behind. I pulled back to let them pass, you two should do just fine. A half a mile of backup and an RV at the front. It's either playing chicken or stop and have some lunch. There's an endless cup of coffee, Denver on white toast, a little something for the waitress, and 300 miles to go. Just about to pull out, some guy tapping at the window. Buy these pills to keep you up, you know I don't do that stuff. You ain't nothing but the road you're on, yeah. You ain't nothing but the road you're on. I break for apparitions on the tail of an old Bel Air. She lost me on the interchange, just vanished in thin air. Later found abandoned with a crowd nearby and all, at the image of the Queen of Heaven on the wall of the donut shop. Star-crossed sky above us, clear and open road. Quarter tank of gas left and 100 miles to go. Same speedster passing by me is back 2 hours more. Must be the deja vu of his second time around. The bright lights of a combine obscured by chaff and dust. This late into the harvest must be thrashing tough. And when I lay my head down for to sleep, I'll still be on a journey.